Hello and welcome to 3D Printed Soup, the channel that knows its PLA from its cockaliki. People love board games these days, whether it's housewives, school kids, 40-year-old men who probably should know better, or just pretty much anyone. Pretty much play board games. It's a golden age for board games. And there's thousands and thousands released every single year. The only problem with board games is sometimes you get ones which are incredible quality and have everything that you could possibly want from them, and sometimes you get ones where they're a bit cheap and nasty and crap, and sometimes you get ones with fantastic elements but just things that are missing. I recently bought Mansions of Madness by Fantasy Flight Games. Fantastic game, absolutely incredibly detailed boards, beautiful figures, but tons and tons of little cardboard tokens. And I'm not a big fan of little cardboard tokens because they're not 3D, they sort of take you out of the game. So what I thought was, let's replace as many of the little cardboard tokens that come with the game with 3D printed figures, furniture and tokens that I possibly can, and see if we can't make the game just feel a little bit more immersive by having a full sort of 3D set of gaming pieces. Now I've looked on Thingiverse and I've found a few people who've created these. See the links below. Let's give them a look and see if we can't print off a few, paint a few and make the game just that little bit more immersive. So yeah, they printed that really quite nicely. And we got things like the clue tokens, portal tokens, interesting scary octopus tentacled event tokens, and loads of furniture tokens, such as this really quite nice bookcase. And yeah, I really enjoyed making these. I'm going to try and print out a load more stuff as well, which I might do videos in the future, but yeah, I'm very happy with the way these have turned out. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. If you give me ideas, please go ahead and let me know what you've printed out and other board games you might have augmented using 3D printing. Feel free to like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't like, thumbs down. If you do like, thumbs up. And if you can click the little bell button just to say that you want to know when my videos are uploaded, because I try to do one a week, but as I say, sometimes I get distracted, life happens. Once again, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup.